everyone, my name is Ana Grace Aliado, and for today's discussion, I'll be tackling about the layout decisions. So, what is the importance or the purpose of layout decisions? So, layout decisions it can help for those businesses or industries to generate revenue or sales and attract more customers. So, if they will have a proper layout, then they will also be effective and efficient all throughout their operations. For you guys, what is layout decision? So layout decisions, it is the correct layout positions of products and areas at the right place, which has a higher probability to generate more sales. So as an overview, Tesco believes in circulations. Have you ever wondered why most of the establishments or department malls place the entrance at the right side? Yeah, and that is because the travel of the customers is counterclockwise. So in order to generate more sales, the checkout counter will be placed at the exit cart. So that's just few reasons. So let's move on to the next, which is the facility layout. Okay, so in definition, facility layout is the physical location of the various departments, units, workstations, and equipment within the premises of facilities. So let's say, for example, a mall, where they have a lot of facilities like departments in every section. So let's say personal care. All those hygienic cosmetic products should be placed in a certain area, and many more products that sort according to where it belongs, like mga TVs, appliances, or school supplies. So I will just read the significance layout in strategy. The higher utilization of space, reduce bottlenecks in moving people or materials. So here, bottlenecks refers to an operation that limits output in the production sequence. So, meaning to say there's a delay in delivery of output or goods. So example of bottlenecks is in the production process or in the supply chain, where if there's a lack of resources or manpower, it can cause delay in delivery. So this is mostly done in manufacturing industry. So you as an operation manager, we will have an alternative strategy or backup plan in order to provide raw materials for the continuous production. Like there's an extended partnership, suppliers that will supply the resources. And the third one is the improved employees, morale, and safer working conditions. So here is an example definition rather. Good facility layout can increase employees morale. Good arrangements of facilities can also provide safer working conditions where accidents in the workplace are minimized. So that is really important to know these factors, right? So the fourth one is the efficient use of labor. So good facility layout can reduce the number of labor to perform their tasks. This is very true, no? And the fifth one is improve customers and vendor interactions. Interactions with the vendors and customers can be done easily and effectively. So there's no barrier at all. There's no barrier in communications if there's a good facility layout and yeah, having good communication skills. Then the factors influencing layout. So there are three factors. One is the types of products. Two is the volume of production. Third one is the production process. Okay. And the types of layout. First one is the product layout, which is it is also called a flow shop layout, refers to the production system where workstations and equipment are located. A long line of production, as you can see, I attached the sample of layout, which is in production line. If the equipment is dedicated to the continual production of a narrow product line. So for example, in clothing, it is a continual process from output or input to produce output. Like for example, cloth made in abacus. So in order to para mahimo siyang sinina, so of course there's a process for that. So the second one is a process-oriented layout. When we say process-oriented layout, it is designed for the floor of a plant that involves arranging equipments and facilities according to their functions. So it is also called a job shop layout, where similar equipment or functions are grouped together. And as you can see, I attached the sample of layout design. So for example, in the manufacturer, the equipment that have been used as a process to produce output like sardines is what we call the process oriented layout component. So third one is the fixed position layout, are typical of projects where the product produced is too fragile or bulky and it is heavy to move, which products remains immobile for the entire manufacturing cycle. So let's say for example, kanang contractual project like kabalay or building, instead bringing the balay or kuan pang alsahon para sa iyahang equipment functions, they will just bring it together in a one place, no, para ma-build ang usa ka building. That's it. So fourth one, the office layout. So it is a combination of art and science, where science is used to analyze the process flow, while art considers criteria such as harmony, teamwork, authority, and role. So yeah, and there's a human interactions and communication, and then layout that account for the physical environment and physiological needs of the organization. The third one is the key trade-off between proximity and privacy, and then the encouragement of understanding and trust will open office concept. So the fifth one is the retail or service layout. In definition, it is designed to maximize exposures of the products to customers. So let's say for example, if kabantay mo sa Robinson, they just apply the grid layout where the products are directly exposed to the customers. And this strategy can help them to gain more sales or profit in their business. So because of grid layout design, so maka-generate sila og mas kuan pa nga customers, more sales pa. So sixth one is the warehouse layout. It is designed to maximize the warehouse functions to achieve the highest efficiency and space utilization. So as you can see there, I just put it the receiving area, receive peak, forward peak, assembly or sorting, quality, shipping. So as you can see there in the picture. And what is cross-docking? Cross-docking is a method to avoid putting materials and supply in storage by processing them immediately after they are resolved. Then the last one, types of layout, which is the cellular work cell layout. Okay, so what is cellular work cell layout? It is a hybrid facility arrangements that combine some principle of the products and fixed position layout cell arranged in U-shape pattern to allow workers to move from one workstation to another more easily. So that's it for today's discussion, guys. I hope that you gain something.
And thank you for listening, guys.